Welcome back everybody to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and if you are new to my channel or you're the first time watching, consider subscribing to the channel below. So today I'm doing my follow-up 30-day challenge video, and just kind of wanted to give you guys some insight. I didn't get really a chance to interact with a lot of people, do a lot of live streaming, everything like that, and just to kind of sum it all up. So the reason I did it was just because it was just a cool thing to do, and I just decided I wanted to do a 30-day challenge to push myself to fly at least one pack a day and put out one video a day and see if I could do it. And I gotta admit, it is a lot harder than it looks. So the main hard parts about doing it, it's not the flying, it's the editing and taking the time to get the video out and actually put it out on YouTube. That's the most time-consuming thing, and finding the time to do that all in one day. So it seemed like every day for that month it was, you know, go fly a pack, come home, edit the video, upload it to YouTube. You know, by the time, sometimes I was up till 10, 11 o'clock at night just making sure I could get a video. So it's very, very tough, and I gotta give credit to everybody that is a vlogger and does this thing every single day full time. I gotta admit, I gotta give them props because it is hard to do, but I did have an awesome time doing it. I tried to mix it up as much as I could for you guys, tried hitting as many different places as I possibly could for you guys, and it was cool for me because I got to go to different places that I hadn't been before, or I've been before and gone back to them before. And I went down to Denver and seen the guys from Quad Explosions, so that was really cool. So yeah, just, you know, I had a really awesome time doing it. I really enjoyed it. I really had fun. And thank you to everybody that definitely who watched all the videos and gave me the encouragement and the support that I needed to keep going, because there was definitely a couple times there, a couple days where I was just like, I was not having it. I just did not want to fly. I just did not have the motivation to get out there and go flying. I was some couple times I was really tired, and I just kept pushing myself and saying that, you know, I've accepted this challenge. I'm going to do this challenge, and I just went out there and I just did it. So thank you to everybody that supported me. I really appreciate it. And so yeah, I had a blast doing it. So going in the future, where am I going to be going? So definitely not going daily. That is really, really super hard to do. If I had an editing team that could help me edit my videos and publish them, I would have no problem going daily. But unfortunately, it's just me that's doing the editing and stuff like that. So you know, someday, it's a dream. I would love to do YouTube full time. I'm just not there yet. Maybe in the next year, 2 years, who knows? You know, you never know. Going forward, let's see, things coming up. So at Memorial Day weekend, I'm going to be traveling. So I'm going to be going out to Oklahoma to see my son. So if you guys are in Oklahoma by chance and you are a viewer, subscriber, whatever, and you want to fly, I will have a limited time, so I'm going to bring my drones with me, so that way I can hopefully hit some spots on the way there, on the way back, and things like that. So if you're in Oklahoma near Bartlesville, let me know. I would be more than happy to stop and fly with you. Also, I'll be traveling through Kansas. So if you're in Kansas and you want me to stop for maybe like an hour, maybe half an hour, something like that, I'm not going to have much time. Definitely hit me up. Let me know. I would love to find some killer spots. We're going to be taking I-70 all the way through Kansas till we hit Salina. And then we're going to be going south on Salina till we get into Oklahoma. So that's basically the plan. So that's coming up at the end of this month. And then in the next month, I think was June, the big multi-GP IO is coming up. So I'm planning on being there. Hopefully I can afford it and everything like that. We're probably going to drive out there and just camp or stay at a hotel. So that should be another fun adventure. Also coming up as well in August is the Junktown Get Down in Grand Junction with the guys from Hot Dog FPV and Quad Explosion. So I'm definitely going to be going to that as well. And it's race season, so I'm going to be doing a lot more 5-inch racing. I'm definitely going to be doing some 5-inch freestyle, things like that. So I'm going to have a whole bunch of stuff planned for you guys. We'll be making lots and lots of content. So I'm really super excited for what's coming up. So get to do a little bit of traveling and stuff like that. So I think it's going to be an awesome time. So yeah, so I just wanted to follow up with you guys and just let you know how everything was going. So that's all I really have for this video. Like I said, it was just a follow-up video. My throat is a little bit sore. I think I'm coming down with something or allergies. I don't know. But anyway, so thank you guys so very much again for all the support. I really appreciate it. And while you're waiting for my next video, as always, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night.